how to turn on single take mode in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then launch the camera app. Next, tap on the more button or the control button here, and then tap on the settings icon. Now in camera settings, we then scroll down and tap on camera assistant. From here, we then scroll down, now go down and tap on single take. Make sure the toggle button is turned on. All right, now we go back to the camera, and in here, tap on at the bottom. This will allow you to swipe across and tap on more. In more, you now will be able to select single take, and then you can now take a photo using single take, like so. Now it will record a 15 seconds video along with some photos. So what you do is you press on the shutter once, and the phone will automatically take multiple photos and short videos at the same time. So it's like saying, don't worry about timing, I will capture everything for you. So what it captures automatically is photos, short video clips, filter shots, boomerang style clips, and AI selected best moments. Here, if I replay the videos, you can see it takes 7 different shot styles. We've got pictures, best moment, we got short video clip, we got the keyboard here, and some photo, filter pictures, and we got original videos. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.